Welcome everyone, and thank you for stopping by my Hoover official YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever DIY nail video for those of you who want to try doing your own nails from home. I will be using dip powder on one hand and gel builder on the other. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you. I'm starting off with already prepped nails. If you'd like to find out how I do this, please check out my nail prep tutorial. I'll put the link to the video below. So I'm just chopping those nails down. Because of COVID-19, I haven't had extensions in a while, so I want to start off real short. I then use my hand nail file to shape them into my desired shape. I'm going for a classic tapered square look. It's best to shape the nails now before you put on any product. I then use my super cute nail brush from Amazon to dust off any debris, and then I'm going to go in with my Melody Susie Nail Electric file, which I love. I'm using the standard sanding band to try and blend the extension with my nail to give the overall look a more natural finish. Try not to overfile your natural nails. We've got to keep our nail beds healthy and feeling loved. I'm now going to be using a standard buffer to get rid of any other shine, and using the nail brushes to dust off any further debris. And there we have it, perfectly prepped nails. So now I'm going to be using Naio Nails Dehydrator. If you want really long lasting nail extensions and maximum adhesion, dehydrators do the job. On this hand, I will be using the dip powder method. I'm going to be using the Seren Dipity Dip Kit, which I actually purchased in Walmart when I was last in America. I hope I said the name right. I start off by applying a layer of the bonding gloss and then tip my finger into the powder. I'm using the pink nude powder today, but the pack comes with 3 different colours. I then dust off any extra powder to get the smoothest application. And note, for the first layer of powder, I don't paint the gloss all the way to the cuticle. This gives me a proper apex and will decrease filing time later on. I then dust it off with this fan brush lightly. And then I'm going to apply the instant activator and let it soak in for a while I repeat these steps on the rest of my hand. I'm really sorry guys, it looks like I lost a whole section of the video. So what I will say is repeat the steps of applying bonding gloss, powder and the instant activator, and then file your nails down until they look a little something like this. Now your nails are ready to be painted. I'm going to be showing you a really easy way to achieve the thin French type look. I first apply a layer of the Naio Nails base coat, and then I go in with this subtle colour by Cuccio called Verona Lace. On this hand, because the colour of the dip powder matches my gel base, I actually only applied 1 coat, but you are welcome to apply 2. And this is what they look like. Now it's time to show you my little trick. For this I will be doing different colours on each finger, but you are more than welcome to use one for all. I'm using all these colours by the Mini Gelish Luminous kit, as well as Candy Coat Hot Pink and Yellow. So I take the gel polish and place a small dot on my thumb, and then simply press it onto the edge of my nail to form the line. This is really helpful, especially if you have shaky hands or, like me, you struggle to draw nail art on your dominant hand. I repeat this on all my fingers, and then I'm going to top coat it with my Naio Nails Mega Gloss. then apply my cuticle oil. And voila, one nail done, one more to go. So because of quarantine, I didn't actually do my other hand on that day. 2 days later, I started the second hand. These are the products I will be using to accomplish the same look but using Gel Builder instead. With my nails already prepped and extensions cut, I then apply my Naio Nails dehydrator again. As you can see, this really dries out the nails so the product can stick properly. I then use the Naio Nails Gel Base Coat and cure it. And then I apply a thin layer of the Naio Nails Gel Builder. I do this thin to avoid any heat spike. Once this is cured, I apply a second layer, but this time a bit thicker, and then to create an apex, I tip my hand upside down for about 10 seconds before placing it back in the lamp. On this occasion, I actually added a third layer only because I wanted the general nails to be thicker. Once this is done, I wipe off the sticky layer and then buff my nails or file them depending on how much shape is needed to get rid of the shine. Now your nails are ready to apply gel polish, and like I did on the underhand, I just repeat the same steps, apart from this time I used 2 coats of the Cuccio Pink Nude instead of 1. And here is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it and found this tutorial easy and useful. Thank you so much again for stopping by, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Lots of love and God bless you.